we're doing something different today and super exciting, but also a little scary. We are gonna be doing this lash lift. We're gonna be lifting our lashes. And if this works, it's gonna change my life. If you're new here, hello, I am Josie. This is Peppers. These are my little Peppers. We say hi to the camera. We say hi. No? You're bored? I love you. I love you. Okay, anyway, so on a daily basis, I have to curl my lashes so that they physically don't curl into my eyes, because sometimes they flip and they curl opposite and they get into my eye and get stuck in my bottom lashes and whatnot. So on a daily basis, regardless on if I do my makeup or not, I have to curl my lashes. I'm just gonna give you some backstory about my lashes. They are extremely straight and they point slightly down, and then once again, like I said, they sometimes curl under. They are really, really hard to get a lift on with any mascaras. I literally have to use waterproof after I curl my lashes if I want the curl and lift to stay. Because if I don't use a waterproof, it just sinks the lashes back down. This is the Ayasel, something like that, lash lift. I got it off of Amazon. I will link it down below if you guys want to check it out. This is all the things you get. I'm not going to be filming this video as a tutorial. I am strictly just filming this video so you guys can see my results. I'm documenting my experience. And the only things that I am going to be bringing into this experience with me is toothpicks. Oh man, here we go. These are my lashes. I have to decide which size lash lift I need to use. All right, we're doing medium. Also, just letting you know, I already did a test patch just to make sure I'm not gonna have any allergic reactions to any of the solutions. I don't know why I'm so nervous. All right, here we go. I chose medium for my lash lift size, and I have all of my things out right now and we are ready to get started. So I am just going to lay the protector pads down. I'm only doing one at a time. Ooh, they're sticky. Ooh, that's nice. All right, so I'm just going to place my lashes underneath this to protect them. With the cleanser, just make sure there's no makeup or anything on it. Now we're just going to glue this onto our eyelid. All right, so I'm just gonna put the glue onto the lift pad. I'm gonna wait 30 seconds and then plop it on. Putting glue onto the rod. Let that sit for 15 seconds and then we're just gonna start pushing them up. All right, we got it up. We're going in with the perm solution. Here we go. I am terrified because I know what perming solution can do. All right, guys, so it's been 12 minutes. I'm going to remove this and then take the excess perm solution off. Now I'm going to take the fixation, the number 2, and put that onto my lashes just like the first one. Cover that again with some saran wrap. And wait 12 minutes. All right, 12 minutes up. We're gonna peel this off, and then I'm just gonna wipe the excess solution off. Or lotion, I should say. Now we're just gonna go in with the cleanser, the number 4, and cleanse all of this off of our eye and start to remove the pad. And use a Q-tip. I feel like that'll be easier. All right, then I'm just going to run the nutrition through my eyelashes. All right, there's eye 1. It's a pretty dramatic difference, depending on if it stays or not. All right, well, I will go do my other eye and I will meet you guys back here. All right, guys, done. And they are very lifted, I will admit. As long as they stay like this, totally worth it. So, like, seriously do it, because look at this. Stay tuned if you guys want an update. I will definitely give you one after like a week, maybe. What do you think? That is it. Here's the befores and afters. Don't forget to check out the lash perm kit in the description below. And I will see you in my next video. I love y'all. Bye. Mwah.